Opposition and civic society has welcomed the move of High Court to order rescheduling of elections and setting aside reservations to 5 municipalities. Court has ordered to issue fresh notification within 10 days. High Court has set aside reservation notification of Sange, Mormugaon, Mapsa, Margaon and Kepe municipalities. Court gave deadlines of April 15 to complete process. Former AG Datta Prasad Lavande would file the petition on behalf of Go Forward give details of the case.
When the judgment was pronounced, the Advocate General asked for a stay for a period of 1 week because they wanted to go to Supreme Court. That's what Advocate General and Advocate General told the court. But nevertheless, the court held that the reservation is especially illegal and therefore there is no question of granting any stay. And this order which is passed by the court is in furtherance to the process of the election. So therefore, there is no question of it.
Opposition hailed this decision, demanding action against the person who made this conspiracy to gain political benefit for the ruling BJP, said MGP MLA Sudin Davlikar.
जे कोण यातून इन्वॉल्व आसा अर्बन मिनिस्टर ताका मुख्यमंत्र्यान पयलीं सॅक करचो आनी सगळी जबाबदारी आपल्या हातांत घेवन आपल्या गव्हर्मेंटाची रिजिग्नेशन दिवचें आनी नवें इलेक्शनां वचचें. ही जर जाल ना जाल्यार वयले जे भारतीय जनता पक्षाचे नेते आसा त्यांनी हातूंत लक्ष घालचें आनी इमिजिएट सगळ्या लोकांक न्याय दिवचो, सगळे बाकीच्या पक्षाक न्याय दिवचो आनी इतलेंच न्हय तर जे कोण हातूंत इन्वॉल्व आसा तांकां कडक सजा दिवची.
Opposition leader Digambar Kamath in a tweet hailed the decision of court, calling it end of BJP's Jumla politics.
हे डिसिजन म्हणजे बीजेपी सरकाराच्या आज जे चालू आसा ताजो त्या कारकिर्दीचो अशें हांव समजता. कारण जेन्ना अती जाता थंय माती जाता आनी म्हणून जे सरकार आज कोणाचेच आयकना, लोकांचें आयकना आनी आपल्याक जाय त्या भशेन करता, अधिकाऱ्यांकय बायपास करता, तांचे लिमाणे मागीर ते अस्ताक वचपाक ताची सुरवात जाता. ती सुरवात ह्या निर्णयान जाल्या अशें हांव मानतां.
Not the government, but it is the court decides what is better for the state, as people are approaching court against government. State Elections Commission is working as a government department, alleged GPCC President Girish Sodankar while welcoming High Court decision.
The State Election Commission is the constitutional authority. Now who is the State Election Commissioner today? He is the government servant. So State Election Commission, the government is using like any other department. The constitutional provision is that they are talking about independence of State Election Commission, but they have the powers to refuse to accept the illegalities in the reservation, which the State Commission has failed. The Director of Municipality Administration, TME, has also committed the faults. They have also committed the crime. They have also done the illegalities unconstitutional. The constitutional provision as a reservation is fulfilled. So it is the duty of the government officer, maybe a DME. So government is trying to hijack everything. The court had given sufficient time for correction, either to the State Election Commission or to the DME or to the government. And what State Commission is replied? They said they have no powers. They said it's the government who has decided this. That means it's clearly stated that the government headed by Dr. Pramod Sawant with UD Minister Milind Naik. That means all these illegalities are committed with the blessings and guidance of Chief Minister and UD Minister.
High Court judgment is the defeat of Pramod Sawant led BJP administration, said Go Forward.
सरकारान सेक्शन 10 of the Municipalities Act of 1968 amend केले आणि म्हणले की notification for reservation should be only 1 week in advance. हाय कोर्ट एक साइडीन सांगता 3 आठवडे म्हणून हायकोर्टाक अंडरमाइन करपा खातीर आनी कायदो हाडलो की the Sawant administration wants to circumvent the mandate of the constitution as well as of the legislation. विकास.
Opposition in Mormugaon were up in arms as no wards were reserved for women in municipal polls. GPCC Vice President Sankalp Amonkar alleged the Urban Development Minister Milind Naik created reservations mess. He demanded that Milind Naik should resign on moral grounds or government should sack him.
ही ऑर्डर येयल्या उपरांत हो अत्याचार आयज बायलांचेर जावपा ना आनी बायलांक आयज मुर्मागो आसून लेडीजांक हे रिप्रेझेंटेशन मेळटलें. तेच्या फाटल्यान जर जबाबदार कोण आसा जाल्यार तो मिलिंद नायक जबाबदार आसा जो अर्बन डेव्हलपमेंट मिनिस्टर आसा. सो ऑन दीस मोरल ग्राउंड मात तरी लस आसा. हांव सांगपाक सोदता मिलिंद नायक जो अर्बन डेव्हलपमेंट मिनिस्टर आसा तुका मात तरी लस आसा जाल्यार तूं स्वता रिजायन जा रे. तूं टोटली अनफीट आसा. यू आर नॉट केपेबल. आयज जी तूं डिसिजनां घेता ती सगळी तुज्या विरुद्ध वयता. तूं आयज आख्खो गोंयचो अर्बन डेव्हलपमेंट मिनिस्टर बट तुजी मिनिस्ट्री जी चल्ला ती फक्त मुर्मगांव कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीन चल्ला. हांव मागता हे चीफ मिनिस्टरा कडेन आनी गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन बीजेपी कडेन जर तो रिजायन जायना जाल्यार तुमची मोरल ड्युटी जाता तेका त्या मिनिस्ट्रीसून भायर मारपाची.
The government in power always manipulate with reservations for political gains. However, the motive of the present government was defeated by High Court. Convener of Margaon Shadow Council Savio Coutinho said on SC judgment.
प्रत्येक गव्हर्मेंट जो पावरान आसता तो सदांच आपल्याक जाय ते प्रमाणे ते मांडटा, मॅनिपुलेट करता. आनी जो ओरिजिनल हेतू आशिल्लो रिजर्वेशन ह्या इलेक्शन सिस्टमान हाडपाक तो हेतू डिफीट जाता. तो फुलफिलूच जायना. कित्याक जेन्ना कोणाकूच अपलिफ्ट करपाक जाय जावं OBC ST विमेन हो हेतू आशिल्लो रिजर्वेशन इलेक्ट्रल सिस्टमान हाडपाक पूण हो फुलफील जायना. कित्याक मोर दॅन अपलिफ्टमेंट ऑफ सच कॅटेगरीज कोणा तरी नॉकआउट करपाक चड इम्पॉर्टंट आसता.
Former UP convener Elvis Gomes said this decision was inevitable as laws were violated beyond limits.
ज्या 5 जे पिटिशनर गेल्ले 5 इलेक्शनां 5 म्युनिसिपल कावन्सील ती हें करची म्हणून परत रिजर्वेशन चार्ट काडचें म्हणून. पूण तातूंत भितर खूब ऑब्जर्वेशनां आसा ते हितून सामकी सिरियस ऑब्जर्वेशनां आसा ह्या सरकाराचेर. खरें म्हणजे हांकां म्हाका लॉज काय हें म्हणपाकूय हांव शकना कित्याक जाका लॉज कितें तें खबर आसा ताकाच लॉज जाता पूण हांकां ती खबर ना.
The court order has now hindered nomination process of nominations for municipal polls. Deputy Collector Sachin Desai said that the State Election Commission has issued an order stating that the election process in Mormugaon Municipal Council is to be kept in abeyance until further orders.
Election Commission एक order issue केल्या as of the election process in Mormugaon Municipal Council it has been kept in abeyance. So until further orders it has been kept in abeyance. So जेन्ना next order येतली तेन्ना आमी रिस्टार्ट करतले. whatever order जशी येता त्या प्रमाणे आमी स्टार्ट करतले.
And what happens to the nomination that were filed before?
That is what every entire process is kept in abeyance म्हणला election commission.
Okay.
So when the further order will come on that order it will be mentioned what is to be done with that.
Okay.
Until that we cannot do anything.
So as big nomination आयल्ली
ना आज nominations येवना काय.
Will accept court decision, Sange former MLA Subhash Faldesai said. He also replied to the Go Forward's allegation that no ward was reserved for ST in Sange Municipal Council.
I do not know exactly what is the judgment. So हांव इतकें सांगता की सांग्यार as far as Sange is concerned, सांग्यार खंयचोय जजमेंट आयले जर जायत we are ready for the elections because the government either way or the Sange म्हजे वटच्यान जावं अशें जे कोणी करतात न्ही allegations we have absolutely no role in delimitation or reservation. Whatever comes in we will accept it and we will go through the process and I'm sure that we will win the election also. सांग्या भितर म्हाका दिसता वार्ड नंबर 1 हो ST रिजर्वेशन इलेक्शन कमिशनान केल्लो आसा. तातूंतय आमचो कांय वांटो ना. तरी आसतना खुबशे लोक म्हणटात की गोवा फॉरवर्ड पार्टी किंवा विजय सरदेसाय म्हणटात तातूंत भितर एकूय ST ना. पण म्हज्या अदमासा प्रमाणे किमान 3 जाण कॅन्डिडेट फ्रॉम दॅट वार्ड बिलॉंगींग टू ST आयदर फायल्ड दी नॉमिनेशन आय डू नॉट नो बट त्यांचे कॅम्पेन सुरू जाल्या त्याच वार्डावेले दुसऱ्या वार्डावेले न्ही त्या वार्डावेले 3 कॅन्डिडेट आसात.
Amar Chavriya, William Rodriguez, Shyam Chari, Sandeep Toekar and Hiro Male for Gua 365 from Panaji and Vasco.